Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about rigs of the year, the 2025 Kenworth W1150 Motorhome. If you're into luxury on wheels with the muscle of a big rig, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Kenworth has taken things to an entirely new level with the W1150. It's not just a motorhome, it's a rolling mansion built on the bones of a heavy-duty hauler. At first glance, it commands respect with its massive grille, signature Kenworth headlights, and a long, polished chassis that screams power and presence. It looks more like a high-end show truck than a motorhome, and that's exactly what makes it stand out. Under the hood, this beast is powered by a 15-liter Cummins X15 engine, delivering up to 605 horsepower and over 2,000 lb-ft of torque. That means you're not only cruising in comfort, but you've got the muscle to tow just about anything behind you, including a second vehicle or even a trailer full of toys. Step inside, and you're met with a level of luxury that rivals top-tier hotel suites. We're talking heated marble floors, real wood cabinetry, a full-size kitchen with stainless steel appliances, and even a washer-dryer unit tucked neatly away. The living area is spacious, with reclining leather couches, a massive flat-screen TV, and surround sound. The master bedroom includes a king-size bed and a walk-in closet, which is something you rarely see in the motorhome world. Tech-wise, the W1150 is fully loaded. Digital cockpit, touch screen controls for everything from lighting to HVAC, solar, panel integration, and an advanced camera system that gives you a 360-degree view around the vehicle. On the road, despite its size, the ride is surprisingly smooth. The air suspension and well-insulated cabin keep things quiet and comfortable. It's clearly built for long-haul luxury travel, perfect for those who want to explore without giving up the comfort of home. Now, let's talk price. As expected, this level of build quality and customization doesn't come cheap. Depending on the features and add-ons, the 2025 Kenworth W1150 Motorhome can easily cross the $1 million mark. But for those who want the absolute best, power, comfort, style, and capability, it might just be worth every penny. So, what do you think? Is the W1150 the future of motorhome travel, or just an ultra-luxury niche vehicle? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic automotive content right here on Honest Auto Wheels. Catch you in the next ride.